This iPhone 14 is made of light and solid aerospace-grade aluminum to ensure it lasts up to 50,000 plus uses. The stand only weighs 10 grams and is rust-proof. The four corners are equipped with X-Shock airbags, and 360 degrees honeycomb impact-absorbed airbags inside are tested by SGS, which endures 10,000 plus times drop, with zero damage from 8 feet height. The kickstand with adjustable angles ranging from 0 degrees to 60 degrees allows you to find a comfortable viewing position to prevent back, neck, and wrist pain. It is perfect for making calls or watching videos. Slim iPhone 14 case is only 0.04 inches and is made of ultralight materials with a translucent frosted matte back showing the logo and giving your phone a sense of mystery and fashion.